Good afternoon to everyone who are present here.
Good afternoon.
The honorable dignitaries who are on the dais and off the dais. I am not taking the names of everyone because I have seen my time is already over. So it is only from 12 it was stated to me. I have to speak and for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. But I will not take your time. Only I will tell you the advice if you wish to have from me. You must first try to understand that what you want to be. You ask yourself, you will get your answer. You have got a chance to be associate with and a student of this school, Ramakrishna Mission, Vidyapit at Lamda. I can still remember in my school days when I was in class 5, I got into that Ramakrishna Mission, Vidyapit, Deoghar. And thereafter, after the division of the two schools, then I went to, in 1961 to the 63, I went to transferred from Deoghar to Purulia. And I continued there for a few days, and thereafter, as days changed, I had to go to college, etc., etc. But I can still remembering one words which was spoke by our secretary at that point of time. When we were coming out of our school, it was Swami Hiranmayanandaji who started that Purulia Vidyapit. He was the secretary of Deoghar as well as Purulia. He told all the students that if you come to me after doing some wrong as a thief, I shall not permit you to enter in this school. But if you have so much name, and if you are a famous dacoit, I shall try to help you. Meaning thereby, that whatever you will do, you have to reach top in that area. That was the lesson he gave to us. And the other thing, what he told, I am still remembering those words. One day, my parents came to our school and they were leaving, and I was at that point of time in class 5, class 6, like that. So I was weeping. So he was also called me and said, why you were weeping? It's not your work. Your name is Pinaki. And you have to see and take care of the people who are crying. And you must give them peace. That is your work in your life. So that really imbibed me to do something for the people. Another thing which has been told by his Sri Ramakrishna's disciple, Swami Vivekananda, that you must stop not until you reach your goal. So therefore, you have to set your goal and you must do such work by which, by dint of that, you must reach there. And you must be a complete human being. It's not that He will only look after you and your family. It is also your duty to look after the others, so that the people will say that yes, he taught by the Ramakrishna Mission School to help the people, for which that Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. And kindly keep it in your mind that the meaning of manhush, meaning thereby your fame, your name is under your control, and you have to keep that in your control. Those are the things you must remember. You love your subjects which you love, and I am sure you will show the people of our country to reach the top. Thank you all. Jai Hind.